Turns out, people in 1925 were roasting each other the exact same way we do today. Baby names, holiday shoppers, marriage advice, even grown men and their projects in the basement. These artists captured all of it. Here are some of the funniest cartoons from exactly 100 years ago. This is Hidden Lens History, bringing the past back into focus. First up, Fay King roasting baby names. Some names look great on a baby, not so much on a grown-up. It's November 4th, 1925, and cartoonist Fay King has some advice for new parents that still tracks today. First, naming your kid after someone famous? It rarely works out. His mother called him Byron after the poet. His friends just call him Fat. Then there's Rusty, who didn't quite live up to Reginald. And Gwendolyn or Gladys? Fay figures no matter what life brings, they'll still grow up looking exactly like this. She also warns about other traps, like the burden of carrying a junior. Some fail to live up to senior, while others probably shouldn't want to.
Why not?
The lesson? Names are important, but good luck getting them right. And when in doubt, go with John or Mary. And please, just spell it right. Just a few days later, Fay turned her attention to holiday shopping. It's November 11th, 1925, and cartoonist Fay King is back with some holiday shopping advice that still hits a century later. First, don't give a gilt wastebasket to a working girl. Just be practical. As thoughtful as it may feel in the moment, nobody wants another thing they have to put out only when you're around. Next, please, no live pets. No one wants to be surprised with a giant responsibility. Third, have patience, and don't be greedy.
I'll give it back.
Honestly, that's just solid advice every day. And her best one? Never give a child heavy underwear without tucking in a toy. True then, even truer now. So this year, just like 1925, shop early, shop wisely, and if all else fails, grab a gift card.
Love it.
Send a sincere wish, and don't lose sight of what it's all about. Follow for more of the weird, wild, and true from the papers exactly 100 years ago. From holiday shoppers to household wisdom, Robert Quillen's Aunt Het always had something fun to say. It's November 16th, 1925, and Aunt Het shows up like that relative who tells the truth whether people are ready or not. Her line today?
I had to pay a carpenter to fix the back door today. Pa slammed it while I was telling him about his cousin Edgar.
Relatable, whether you're an Aunt Het, a pa, or a cousin Edgar. And she delivered these every day. No doubt we'll see more of Aunt Het as we dig for more fun from the papers exactly 100 years ago today. And one more Fay King. She once roasted her own divorce in the papers, so a hot take on money and envy? Well within her comfort zone. Mo money? Mo problem. I don't think so. 1925 said it first. And today's Fay King cartoon proves it. It's November 19th, 1925, and Fay's advice hits fast. If the hidden heartache of the rich showed up as easily as their diamonds and pearls, you wouldn't envy them for a second. She notes you always hear hearty, healthy laughter when regular folks take a break. But those fancy clubs? Silent as a tomb. And this one's my favorite. No matter how much dough the rich tie up in pearls,
Ooh, fancy.
the humble potato beats everything when you're hungry. So whether you're driving a flivver in 1925 or drinking water instead of fancy wine today, Fay's closer still hits. If you knew the rich folks' worries, you wouldn't envy them at all. Next up, the iconic Flapper Fanny says. Ethel Hays was a master at wrapping real advice in humor and a wink. Buried in this 1925 newspaper is shockingly good advice on settling an argument. This one's from Flapper Fanny, a syndicated series about everyday flapper life. Her solution to family arguments? Both parties admitting the other is wrong. Still feels pretty spot on. Flapper Fanny ran coast to coast with quick, relatable snapshots just like this. A few weeks later, she's back with something to say about prohibition or men and their toys. It's November 30th, 1925, and prohibition was in full force. And Flapper Fanny had some thoughts. Two women are peeking down into a basement, and what do they find? Two very serious men, making wine with a funnel and an empty jug.
How many gallons does that make this time?
The dry law finds wine for idle hands to brew. Basically, you can ban alcohol, but you can't ban men from making moonshine in the bathtub.
I just cleaned that tub.
Thanks, honey.
And for our final stop, a Thanksgiving cartoon from Jim Ring, showing us what people were truly thankful for back then. It's Thanksgiving, 1925. And according to Jim Ring's cartoon, here's what people were thankful for back then. First, any pedestrians still being alive. Roads were chaos in 1925, and newspapers ran daily tallies of people becoming unwilling hood orphans. Then there's the busy doctor and the market man, working as a team. One helps you overeat, the other fixes your indigestion. The football star? Thankful for his paper-thin leather helmet. And the government clerk? Thankful his health survived another year of paperwork. As for this guy, yeah, some things need more explanation than we've got time for. We do this every day in our Front Page Daily series. We compile the best of them in our in-print 1920s Explained series, and we restore and retell the biggest crime stories and mysteries we find along the way.